Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2021 Chevrolet Silverado LTZ Z71 Premium, stock reference number 5610. This shape runs from the 4th month 2018 and is the current shape. It has an LS 6.2 litre V8 petrol engine backed by an automatic four-wheel drive transmission. LS 6.2 V8 petrol engine. We have the left front 20-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror. Both left-hand doors appear to have no damage. Left side skirt sold as a pair with all bolts and brackets. Left rear 20-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the right-hand tail light, tidy rear bumper, factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets and loom. Tailgate has no damage. Right-hand tail light. Right rear 20-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right hand side step sold as a pair with all bolts and brackets. Both right hand doors appear to have no damage. Right power door mirror, right guard has no damage, and a right front 20-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, black leather centered console, heater controls, touchscreen media player, interior mirror, left sun visor, courtesy lamp, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 4-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.